Let's prepare on the TNPSC AE 2019 question paper. 171. In open channels, the gradually varied flow is caused when. Okay, so this causes when the force causing the flow is not equal to the resistant force. So at this time only we call that flow as gradually varied flow. And also that is the change in the depth of the flow or gradual means then the flow will be gradually varied flow. 172. In order to compute surface runoff graph, which flow should be subtracted from the runoff graph? So from the runoff you will be getting the total runoff. From that you should subtract base flow. So then only you will be getting the surface runoff alone. 173. The Cutter's formula is denoted as what? So this is a big huge formula, so you can directly study that. A option. 174. In the analysis of sediment transport, the soil is assumed as what? So it is assumed as incoherent. So incoherent means it is the particles are acting individually. Okay, so it is not a bulky soil particle. The particle or separate particles. That is the assumption we will be taking. 175. The depth of the flow, velocity of the flow, slope of the bed of channel and cross section do not remain constant, then the flow is called what? So here it is non-uniform flow. Okay, so when there is not a constant or it is changing in itself, it is unsteady or a non-uniform only. Okay, so here other than the discharge everything is changing. Okay, so it means it is non-uniform. If the discharge also changes means it is unsteady flow. 176. Reynolds number greater than 2000, the flow in channels is what? Okay, so here the answer is turbulent. So when it is greater than 2000 we call the flow as turbulent, and when it is between 500 to 2000 means it is in transition flow, and when it is less than 500 means it is a laminar flow. 177. What is the most frequently used flood control measure? So it is Levy's method. So this method is nothing but embankment is constructed along the river side, so that to stop the flood. Okay. 178. The center of buoyancy is what? So it is the center of the displaced fluid volume. So where the object or element is placed, so that volumes, that fluid's center place. Okay. And then 179. In which part of India canal automation system is practiced? So here it's given as Gujarat, but I don't know whether it is very correct or not. I have searched for this, but I am not getting any content regarding this. 180. According to Kosla's theory, the exit gradient is given by what? So it is h by d into 1 by pi root lambda. Thank you and keep watching.